Well, it's our first sit on our North Texas farm this season. It's October 7th, and we got a cold front coming through later this evening. So we finally got that northeast wind we need to hunt this spot. We've been really itching to get in here, but we really can't hunt on anything but a northeast wind. Got beds on three sides of us. So, as long as these bucks keep doing what they've been doing, we've been watching them the past couple weeks on our cell cams, and there's a group of bucks. There's still 5-6 of them around together. They've been in the spot every evening for the past 7-10 days, so we feel pretty good about this spot tonight, but anything can happen. We got some pretty big drops tonight in temperature. Tomorrow we got a low in the 50s, which we haven't really seen that yet. So these deer should really be moving, but nonetheless, man, super fired up. Being true to Texas again, first sit here, and couldn't ask for better weather for this first sit. So fingers crossed these bucks keep doing what they're doing, and we should have some opportunities this evening. It's 6 o'clock, we got him. Came in perfectly. Perfect broadside shot, 27 yards. I saw blood as soon as the arrow hit him. Already played back the film. Oh man. So grateful, man. Great deer. He's an old buck. I think he's 6 or 7 years old. We got pictures of him now for several years. Just real old, wide. He's got a real cool fork on his right side. Great mass. Great deer to take. Super pumped, guys. Can't wait to show you.